Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be showing you how to use the date function in Power BI DAX. This function lets you create a date from individual year, month, and day values. Okay, it's great for building custom date columns or measures when your dataset stores these parts separately. A date function returns a date value based on a year, month, and day you provide. The syntax is very simple. Here we should use date function. This is year, month, and day. Okay. So when we write date of year, month, and day, this returns the 9th August 2024. Okay. Next, in my sample, okay, here in my sample orders table, I have a orders year, order month, and order day columns. Okay. I want to combine them into the proper date. We can create a calculated column for this one. Let me show you. I already created a calculated column. Order date is equal to date of order year, orders of order month, order of order date. Now, Power BI recognizes it as a real date column, so we can use it in a date slicer, charts, and time intelligence functions. Okay. The date function, automatically adjusts invalid dates. Like for example, if you look at here, I given date of 2024 to and 30, which means February 30. We don't have February 30, right? So Power BI will roll this over to 1st March 2024 instead of throwing an error. Here you can see this one. Next is we can, combine the date with other functions as well, like start of the year, like end of the month, like that. Here you can see start of the year. Okay, which means date of year of today, one of one, or like what it will use start of the year, which is January 1st, 2025. This is the start of the year. Now, if you want to check like last day of the current month, which is the last day of the current month, today we are in August 10th, and last day of current month is August 31st. Okay, how to write the DAX for that one? Here you can see the DAX function. End of month is equal to date. Inside that we are writing year of today, month of today, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, comma 1, and minus 1. Okay, so I'll tell you each thing. What is year of today will do here? It will extract the current year, like for example 2025. And month of today, this one will extract the current month number, that is what? August 10th, August 8th, whatever today's month today, 8th, right? So that will result. August is 8th. Next, what this will return now? Date of year of today, month of today, plus 1, comma 1. What it will return is it creates a date for the first day of the next month. Okay, which means that 2025 9/1. 1st of September 2025, it will return that result. And we are subtracting it by minus 1. What happens here? It subtract 1 day from the first day of next month, giving you the last day of current month. So for example, now it is 1st September 2025 minus 1, and it will give 31st August 2025. If today is 10th August 2025, the formula this returns 31st August 2025, the last day of the August. Hope you understand this one, right? And that's the date function in DAX. It's a simple but powerful way to build the dates from separate parts and make your data more usable. Okay. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful Power BI tips.